Hey everyone, Clyde Outside coming to you from the shoreline of Lake Michigan. Look at this amazing, fantastic sunset. How about that sunset? Michigan sure has some pretty good sunsets this time of year. And I am camped out here on the side of the road at this little park with some picnic tables. There's a condominium watching the sun set also. What am I cooking tonight? I picked up this fantastic New York strip steak, $7 on special. A whole mess of green seedless grapes, $1.69 for those. And some bananas, 1 pound exactly of bananas, 69 cents. That's an interesting number. And what else do I have? Some broccoli, my favorite vegetable in the whole world. So this is the last day here in St. Ignace. I just crossed the Mackinac Bridge for the second time, actually the third time, but the second time coming northward, and I am on my way across the upper peninsula now. Got to get a move on before the really cold weather starts setting in. I have a long way to go and a short time to get there. This is Clyde Outside, eastbound, actually westbound, watching that bandit run. See y'all later. Bye.